Video 3. Inserting link in presentation. Friends, now we will see how the website about the fundamental rights of Indian citizen and file in the computer can be linked to the title of our presentation. First, we will have to select the title of our presentation for giving this link. Then go to Insert Tab Links group and select the command Hyperlink. After clicking on the Hyperlink command, Insert Hyperlink dialog box will be opened before us. We can see all the options available for connecting the files in our computer to the selected components in the dialog box. For connecting the website link related to the fundamental rights of Indian citizen to the title of the presentation, we will have to type this web address in the box against address in the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, after which click on the OK button. The website link will be linked with the title. To open this link, start the slideshow and take the mouse pointer on the title. The mouse pointer will be changed to the symbol of hand. The linked website will be opened when you click on the title. Now we will see the process of linking a file stored in the computer to the title of presentation. For this, we will have to go to the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, click on the Look in arrow, and open the folder in our computer which contains that file. Select the file which is to be linked and click on the OK button. This file will be linked to the title of the presentation. For opening this link, start the slideshow and take the mouse pointer on the title. The mouse pointer will be changed to the symbol of hand. The linked file will be opened when you click on the title.